All right, we're at 5:48. Let's get a check of the weather on this Monday morning.
It's a 10 out of 10 when you're waking up this morning.
Okay.
What about as you continue through the day?
Yeah. No, this afternoon we have the heat, we have the humidity.
Okay.
It gets very uncomfortable later on today. But this is going to be the most uncomfortable day of the week.
All right.
So that's the good news. And then it gets cooler as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. We get more clouds and, of course, more rainfall moving on in. Here's a quick update here on the climate. And as you go back from the beginning of June, it has been very, very dry around here. We're about 3.5 inches below normal in terms of rainfall. It has been a hot June and July, 2.5 inches or 2.5 degrees above average. We've had 27 sunny days and only 6 cloudy days from the beginning of June. So not a whole lot of rainfall out there over the past 5 to 6 weeks or so. As you head outside today, we're looking at temperatures going from 81 degrees up to about 91 as we head towards 4 o'clock. You have a beautiful day out there today, so we're not looking at the risk of any showers or storms whatsoever. But man, it is hot later on with highs mostly in the lower end of the 90s. Have you heard we have a hurricane on our hands? So this is Beryl. Winds right now 80 miles per hour. It is making landfall as we speak, a very sizable storm. And Beryl is going to be going up to the north. We got high pressure to the east, low pressure to the west. And so Beryl's going to take the path of least resistance going between these two pressure systems going north, eventually going to bang a right and head up towards western New York and upstate Vermont. Here's a look at the track here. You can see that it's going to start heading up the Mississippi River Valley. We get some afternoon storms here tomorrow, and then take a look at it here as it starts kind of making that bend to the right. We get the remnants here on Wednesday morning, and then going into Thursday and Friday, maybe some wraparound moisture. The sunshine is back, though, as we head later on this week. The biggest impact that you have to worry about, just some rainfall here on Wednesday morning. It'll be mostly between about midnight on Wednesday through about lunchtime Wednesday afternoon. 1 to 2 inches possible. Could be a few embedded thunderstorms as well. Nothing severe. So I just want to be transparent about that. It's not like we're going to have that risk of tornadoes or anything like that. Okay, so let's walk you through what will happen today, and not a whole lot. We have high pressure caked right on top of us. So we have the sunshine today, but it's going to be hot. It's going to be humid. As we head into tomorrow, though, by Tuesday afternoon, here's your timing. It says Tuesday at about 4 p.m. We start getting some showers moving up to the north. And then we get some very heavy showers Tuesday night going into Wednesday morning. But look at the time here, 2 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. You're probably going to be in bed sleeping when most of the rain moves on through. So this is actually a good thing. I'm hoping that we can get rid of the heaviest rainfall by sunrise, so it doesn't really impact your commute. This is 5:30 here on Wednesday, and then as we head towards 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll be tracking the rainfall. About 1 to 2 inches of rainfall sounds like a pretty solid bet. The axis of heaviest rainfall will be out towards parts of Indiana. And take a look at this here. Man, they get socked with over 3 inches of rainfall here up near Fort Wayne as it goes up towards Toledo, out towards Lake Erie. So they're going to get hammered with some good downpours there. Going 84 here on Wednesday, 85 Thursday. It is going to be hot, hot, hot going into the weekend and beyond. Lower 90s before we see that return of showers and storms by the middle part of next week. But up until then, it looks like our main focus will be on the remnants of Hurricane Beryl going into Tuesday night and Wednesday of this week. Let's get a look at your